Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can landscape one page only in WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened the Word document in WPS Office application, and I'm going to landscape this page only, this first page. If we want to do that guys, we need to add page break to our document. So here I'm going to go to the insert tab and go to the breaks. Oops. Click on this little icon, then choose next page section break. Okay, it's already splitted, and I'm going to make this page landscape. Just go back to the page layout and choose this orientation. I'm going to choose landscape, and as you can see guys that the landscape is only applied to the first page. Okay, so you need to add the page break, because this is the key to landscape one page only. The key is here, the next page section break. Okay guys, and that's how you can landscape one page only in WPS Office application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.